Hey guys, headed back to Las Vegas, 10-time multiplier. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back in Las Vegas again. Labor Day weekend. We're at the valet check-in at Planet Hollywood. Let's go check in. Park the elevator, 9th floor.
Okay guys, well, we're inside the room at Planet Hollywood. We already checked in, as you saw. This is the bathroom. It looks very clean. Thank goodness for that. We got an awesome bathtub. Ooh. We stayed here before. We like the palette here, the coloring and that they use. We got a very nice big mirror here. Really nice, kind of sturdy. And it looks very clean, guys. They got the awesome shower right here. This one does have a door, guys, not like the ones in Laughlin. At least not like the ones from the room that we got. But look at this. What a difference from room to room. Looks pretty clean, guys. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. Ooh. They got their hair, their blow dryer. Got a really nice picture here. Big one as well. Got their desk area right here. Nice cute lamp. Like it. You can store your drinks. Thank goodness they don't have a bunch of things laying around. So they don't charge us for a bunch of things that can move. Just got a small lunchbox with some drinks there. Got the coffee. It doesn't come with a coffee machine. Good thing we did brought one. Comes with plenty of storage. I like this room. Very nice. It has the closet right here. Very spacious. Ooh, I like this mirror. And I like what I see. Wow. This bedroom does look comfortable. Got some awesome pictures right there. Kind of looks like modern urban to me. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. What's it called? Like funky modern urban? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. What's the type of decor here? But it's still the gold accents on the lamps and certain things. I feel like it makes it that special. It makes it feel like a luxury room per se. Got a nice seating area right here so you can have something to eat here. Let's go check out the view. Okay guys, well, we got the view right here. Not the best one, but hey, we can still see from here the Paris Tower. Check that out. It's really nice. So, oh well, I don't mind the other stuff. As long as we can have a little peek on the other hotels. We got the Caesar Palace over there. the entrance of the Paris right down here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna head out and eat some breakfast at the Cafe Hollywood. Come on.
So now we're headed to Cafe Hollywood. It's based off of Planet Hollywood theming. So you're gonna see a lot of celebrity pictures hanging on the wall, and it's actually located in the middle of the casino, and they do have great breakfasts.
Okay guys, well everything looks really good. I think I'm gonna go for the big breakfast. We're here, 2 fresh eggs, 2 buttermilk pancakes, 2 strips of bacon, sausage, and breakfast potatoes. $18.75. I like that. So I'm gonna go for that, and I'll definitely let you know how it is. Hey guys, well we ordered our classic coffee, regular coffee. They just got me this half and half creamer. I definitely gonna ask for something like with more flavor. We ordered as well the big breakfast and the
Vegas scramble.
The Vegas scramble,
which has a little bit of like a Mexican feel to it. Pico de gallo.
You already know. Pico de gallo is
the big breakfast. The big breakfast is the classic, which has pancakes, eggs, sausage, or bacon, and pancakes.
Yeah,
so
definitely wanted to try it out. We've been here before, but I think that every time we come here, we tried something different, but something that always has worked for us as well. Okay guys, well we ordered the big breakfast as we said, and the pancakes look pretty fluffy. We always like them. So we're just gonna put some butter. We ordered the scrambled. You already know that they're gonna ask you which type of, how you want your eggs. Instead of hash brown, we ordered these, and comes with some sausage. And what about yours?
So I went with the Las Vegas scramble. Basically, it's just a scrambled egg with peppers, onions, mushrooms, also country potatoes, and some wheat toast. So our bill came out to be $44.65 for a big breakfast, Las Vegas scramble. That is a real good price for a great breakfast. So they have Carmela upstairs, which is an Italian restaurant. They also have the Strip House. Strip House is their signature steakhouse. Usually opens up around 5 o'clock. You do want to have reservations because they do fill up quick and they are pretty busy. And it's your standard menu. You got all your steaks, desserts, appetizers, your salads, your entries, and your sides. The basic things that you would see at a great steakhouse. Right beside that, they do have the Chris Angel Mind Freak Theater. If you guys want to see a good magic show, it's supposed to be one of the top magic shows in Las Vegas right now. Chris Angel Theater, they got a little store where you can buy all your souvenirs and stuff like that. They just be on a reminder, this area does get pretty crowded in the afternoon and the evening, around 9 o'clock when they do open up. So if you're going to get dinner, you might want to schedule that around that because it does get busy right around 9 o'clock. Right inside, they have Yolo's Mexican Grill. It's a bar right inside. the casino, right on the casino floor. They do have a small menu, nothing really big, but they do have a small menu where you can get, chicken taquitos, nachos, quick stuff like that, Caesar salad, grilled steak salads, nothing big, burritos, fajitas, stuff like that. Some steaks, but it is a pretty small menu, but it has everything that you would want on there. Plenty of specialty drinks and desserts, and most of all, your tacos. They got a whole list of tacos. So they do have a sports bar in here, right inside the sports room. If you see that pin-up pizza for $5.99, just know that $5.99 is only for cheese pizzas. A lot of people see that $5.99, they think it's all pizzas, but it's only for cheese pizza. Here they got a full sports book here in Planet Hollywood. A lot of seating, a lot of TVs. A great place to catch your games. Like most Caesars properties, they do have a Earl sandwiches. Well, so if you want your sandwiches, they do have a Earl of sandwich. So right outside the casino, heading into the mall, they do have a food court. So if you guys want to get some good quick eats, they do have a food court out there. So they have your Dave's Hot Chicken. If you guys into chicken, hot chicken, they do have specials a lot over at Dave's Hot Chicken. Usually you can get some chicken for like $9.99, pretty cheap. They have lobster meat inside there as well. So if you guys into these little lobster rolls and stuff like that, they do have a lobster meat, pretty good, and pretty good pricing as well. If you guys more on the vegetarian side, they do have a Tacotarian inside. All your plant-based meats for tacos, different types of meats and stuff like that, but it's all vegetarian style. Next in here, they have a Herbs Burgers. Just opened up maybe like a couple months ago. You can get burgers, shakes, fries. Supposed to be real good. Haven't tried it out yet. A little bit of everything up in there, but it is great from what I hear. And of course, they do have a Carnegie pizza. They got all these different types of pizzas, different types of pastas and stuff like that. Really good deal as well. Also got a Chipotle. If you guys want some quick Mexican food, they do have a Chipotle inside as well.
Here at the scene pool deck here at Planet Hollywood. Now when you first get in, you're here where the free chairs are. Wave Runner, there are 2 pools. One is family friendly and one is 21 and up, which is a plus. However, a big con, all the chairs around the pool are paid and they're $30 to pay for a chair. That's really frustrating because if you leave your stuff at the chairs here, you can't see it. You don't know if it's safe or not. I don't love that setup of that Planet Hollywood pool, but hey, it is what it is. It's a drawback. It's a con.
Okay guys, that's it for our review of Planet Hollywood in Vegas. If you like this type of content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.